sneak it up here and let it do its thing. There we go. Really laying down a lot of water here. Inch it up. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And then you can just let it flow. There we go. And I'm going to put a paper towel under here. Catch my mess. And you can tip it. Move it around. Okay, so tip that. And I'm going to flip it around and do the other side. Now it's deciding what colors to use up here. What have I got? I actually have, what is this? I think this might be black. Okay. I just put a little couple of dots there. Won't go crazy with the black. And we have some green. And maybe a bit of this blue here. Okay, so let's load our brush up with some water. Come in from here and just kind of ooze it up there to the acrylic and see what happens. There you go. Now my previous video, I did it with watercolors on watercolor paper and some acrylic inks. So you can see it's pretty fun. It's like doing a paint pour without having to put down a pillow and all this other stuff that we have to do. Gosh, I have a ton of stuff that I bought for doing paint pours. And then I found everybody else was doing paint pours, so I moved to portraits. Ooh, I like this. This is kind of fun. Look at that. I'm just taking that on my brush and kind of spreading it around a little bit. Oh, I like that. Cool. This is fun. All right. So now I'm going to mop up on my mess. And we'll let it sit for a while and dry and see what happens. Get it straight there. The colors are pretty vibrant. And I'm just going to let it dry naturally. So we'll come back to it later when it's nice and dry. There's a lot of water on there, so it's going to take a while. But that was pretty fast, guys. I mean, you could call that a painting right there. This is really gorgeous. I don't know if you can see this, but it is pretty. Maybe I'm crazy, but I like it just the way it is. So it is done.